This is a prototype demonstration of the planned integration of ServiceMax with PTC's ThingWorx IoT platform and Service Lifecycle Management solutions. In the demonstration, you'll see how ThingWorx can be configured to continually monitor smart connected products and detect when abnormal conditions occur. These abnormal conditions can create alerts that automatically generate service requests within the ServiceMax product. The generated service request contains powerful tools that enable the remote technician or dispatcher to interact with the smart connected product and diagnose the specific reason for the alert. Once the exact reason for the alert has been identified and the appropriate response determined, ServiceMax can automatically generate a work order to dispatch a technician. The work order created for the technician will contain all the alert and remote troubleshooting information. It will also contain detailed service instructions from PTC's Service Lifecycle Management solution on how to resolve the issue. For this example, we'll be using an MRI machine as our smart connected product. To start the demonstration, we'll look at how ThingWorx can be configured to monitor various parameters for the MRI machine, trigger alerts when abnormal conditions occur, and automatically generate notifications and service requests in ServiceMax. This part of the demonstration will typically be a completely automated background process, but for demonstration purposes, we want to highlight the integration of ServiceMax and ThingWorx for automatically generating service requests based on alert conditions. On the screen, we have two windows. On the left is ServiceMax, where we'll be receiving the service request notifications. And on the right is a ThingWorx mashup showing all the real-time data being monitored for the MRI machine. By selecting on one of the monitored parameters in the ThingWorx mashup, we can also view streaming data. As we watch the data stream, we can see there is a sudden increase in the table vibration that exceeds the set threshold and automatically triggers an alert. This ThingWorx alert condition has been configured to automatically generate a notification and service request in ServiceMax, as we can see in the ServiceMax screen. The service request is automatically sent to the appropriate remote technician or dispatcher by ServiceMax. It contains a combination of information from ServiceMax, ThingWorx, and PTC's Service Lifecycle Management solutions to assist the remote technician or dispatcher in accurately diagnosing the cause of the alert and determining the most effective response to address the issue. This information includes remote service capabilities that enable remote access to the machine to view or download log files and to update machine onboard software. Details regarding the condition that triggered the alert, real-time information coming from the machine showing the alert condition, and an integrated view of PTC's service and diagnostic solution that enables interactive troubleshooting. This information provides the remote technician or dispatcher with a much more detailed understanding of the situation and the ability to remotely interactively diagnose a specific issue. By automatically feeding the alert information into the diagnostic system, the alert cause has been narrowed down to 3 possible issues, providing the remote technician or dispatcher an advanced diagnostic starting point. If this had been a situation where the alert had a single known cause, the system could have automatically generated a work order, bypassing the need for any human involvement in the service request process. Since this was a more general alert, which has 3 known causes, it will require some additional diagnostic effort by the remote technician or dispatcher. To identify the specific cause of this alert, the remote technician or dispatcher opens a PTC Service Knowledge and Diagnostics session from within the ServiceMax service request. The diagnostic session already contains all of the alert and machine information, giving the remote technician or dispatcher an advanced starting point. The remote technician or dispatcher can now use the machine data integrated into the service request to continue the diagnostic session and identify the exact cause of the alert. In this case, a set of damaged table rails that will require a field technician be dispatched to replace them. The identified solution from PTC's Service Knowledge and Diagnostic System contains all the part and service information necessary to resolve the issue. This information can be used by ServiceMax to automatically generate and assign a work order containing all the alert, diagnostic, part, and service procedure information for the field technician. The integration of ServiceMax with PTC's ThingWorx IoT platform and Service Lifecycle Management solutions provides the field technician with all the information necessary to quickly and accurately resolve the alert issue in a single visit. The integrated work order provides the field technician with all the background alert and remote diagnostic information before even going on site. Through the integration with PTC's Service Knowledge and Diagnostic solution, the field technician can access and review the remote diagnostics performed, along with the details of the solution identified. They can also continue the diagnostic session if required, and confirm that the correct diagnostic solution was identified for the specific alert. They also have access to interactive service procedures contained within PTC's in-service repository. These procedures offer step-by-step instructions that guide the technician through the correct procedure for performing the repair. If additional information is required, the field technician can access Product IQ, which provides detailed information about the specific product being worked on. Product IQ has been integrated with PTC in-service, which enables the field technician to access product-specific information such as parts list, procedures, and specifications. This enables the technician to identify the specific parts they may need for the repair or the service being performed, add those parts to a shopping cart, and allocate those parts through ServiceMax. They can also access any other information about the product contained within in-service, including specifications, recalls, operation manuals, or other forms of information. And finally, once the field technician has completed their assigned work, they can debrief the service visit, which will automatically include all the alert, diagnostic, part, and service information available through the integration. This information can be used to analyze, feedback, and continually improve the service process.